Stop for a second. Before we start, I want to ask you something very direct. If you truly, seriously want to improve your English this year, not just wish for it, not just think about it, but actually improve, write in the comments right now, I am serious about my English. Go ahead, pause if you need to, type it. Because today on Talk Easy Daily, we're not talking about dreaming, we're talking about doing.
Yes, and while you are typing that, let me ask you something else. Do you study English alone? No teacher, no partner, no class, just you and your phone? If that is you, comment, I study alone. We want to see how many solo learners are here with us today.
Because today's episode is especially for you, the quiet learners, the independent learners, the ones who sit at a desk and say, okay, today I will study English. And then 5 minutes later,
You're scrolling on your phone.
be honest, has that happened to you? If yes, comment, that's me. We're building a real community here on Talk Easy Daily, and honesty is the first step.
I used to do that all the time. I would sit down and give myself a motivational speech. Jake, today is the day. No excuses, you will become fluent. Very dramatic.
Very dramatic. And then 10 minutes later, I was watching random videos about things that had nothing to do with English.
See, the problem is not motivation. Most learners are motivated. The problem is the system. And if you agree with that, type I need a system in the comments.
Because today, we're giving you a clear, simple system to study English alone and still improve rapidly, not in theory, in real life.
And we're going to make this interactive. Many times during this episode, we will ask you questions. When we ask, answer in the comments. Even one short sentence. That small action helps your brain move from passive listening to active learning.
So welcome back to Talk Easy Daily. I'm Jake,
And I'm Anna.
your cozy place to grow your English step by step.
And today is about independence, power, and structure.
Let me ask you something important. When you think about your English right now, do you feel progress or do you feel stuck?
If you feel stuck, write stuck in the comments. No shame, just truth.
That stuck feeling has a name. It's called a plateau. A plateau is when your progress feels flat. You're not getting worse, but you do not feel better.
And many solo learners live on that plateau for months, sometimes years.
So here's our promise. If you follow the system we share today for the next 30 days, you will not feel stuck anymore. You will see movement.
But first, we need to fix your mindset. Let's start with a simple question. Why are you learning English? For work, travel, confidence, exams?
Comment your reason. Just one word. Work, travel, confidence, future. Type it.
When you write your reason, your goal becomes intentional. Intentional means you do something on purpose with a clear reason.
And that's part 1 of our system. Plan.
Not a complicated plan, a clear one.
Most learners say, I will study English this week. That is not a plan. That's a wish.
A plan sounds like this. By Sunday, I will record a 2-minute audio about my week in English.
That's specific.
Now, I want you to think, what is one small English goal you can finish in 7 days? Comment it.
Even if it feels small, especially if it feels small, small goals are sustainable.
Sustainable means you can continue them for a long time without burning out.
Let me tell you a quick story. One time, I decided I would study 2 hours every night. Very ambitious.
How long did that last?
3 days. Then I was exhausted. I quit completely.
That was not sustainable.
Exactly. So I tweaked my plan.
To tweak means to change something a little to make it better.
I changed 2 hours to 15 minutes, just 15.
And guess what happened?
I studied every day for 3 months.
That's the power of tweaking instead of quitting.
Now I want you to answer honestly. Are your goals too big? If yes, comment too big.
Because if your goals are too big, you will feel guilty, and guilt kills consistency.
5 focused minutes are better than 0 perfect minutes.
So part 1 of your system is simple. 1 weekly goal, 1 daily micro goal.
Daily micro goal example, speak for 1 minute about your day.
That's it, 1 minute.
Can you do 1 minute? If yes, type 1 minute I can do.
Good. Now, part 2, input.
Input is what goes into your brain, listening and reading.
Many learners are overwhelmed here. Too many videos, too many books.
So let me ask you, how many different English channels do you follow? 10? 20?
Be honest. Comment the number.
Sometimes too much choice creates confusion.
Instead of following 20 sources, choose 2. One podcast, one reading source.
For example, you can decide this month I will listen to Talk Easy Daily 3 times a week.
Consistency builds familiarity. Familiarity builds confidence.
And here's something important. Do not choose content that is too difficult.
If it's too hard, your brain will drift off. Drift off means your attention slowly disappears.
Has that happened to you? You play an English video and after 3 minutes you realize you understand nothing.
If yes, comment, I drift off.
Choose something slightly below your maximum level.
Then use this method. Listen to a short line, pause, repeat out loud.
Yes, out loud, not in your head.
When you speak, your brain builds stronger connections.
And here's your challenge. After this episode ends, replay 5 minutes and repeat with us.
If you promise to try that, comment, I will repeat.
Now let's talk about reading. Many learners think serious study means big, difficult novels.
And then they read one page and quit.
Instead, choose short texts.
Use a simple 3-step system. Step 1, read for meaning.
Step 2, choose 5 useful phrases.
Step 3, use 2 phrases in your own sentences.
That's how input becomes output.
Speaking of output, this is part 3.
Many learners say, I cannot speak because I have no partner.
That's not true.
You have yourself.
Self-talk is powerful.
Right now, after you finish listening, try this. Describe your room in English.
Just look around and speak.
If you're brave enough to try that today, comment, I will speak alone.
Now, let's talk about the 60-second recording method.
This method changes everything.
Every day for 7 days, record yourself speaking for 1 minute.
Use 3 questions. What did I do yesterday? What am I doing today? What will I do tomorrow?
Simple structure, clear timeline.
Then listen once.
Don't judge your accent. Don't criticize your voice.
Just choose one thing to tweak.
One small pronunciation change, one grammar fix.
That's your feedback loop.
A feedback loop means you act, you listen, you adjust.
After 7 days, listen to day 1 again.
And notice the difference.
Even small progress is progress.
If you are willing to try this 7-day challenge, comment 7-day boost.
We want to see who's serious.
And remember, Rome was not built in a day.
Big results come from small daily actions.
Now, let's talk about something emotional.
Fear. Many learners are afraid to speak because they think they will make mistakes.
Let me ask you directly. Are you afraid of making mistakes in English? Yes or no? Comment honestly.
Here's the truth. Mistakes are proof that you're practicing. Silence is the real problem.
So if you make mistakes this week, celebrate them.
Comment, mistakes mean progress.
Say it again in your mind. Mistakes mean progress.
Now let's bring everything together.
Your system is simple.
Plan,
Input,
output,
feedback,
1 weekly goal,
1 daily micro goal,
focused listening,
short reading,
daily 1-minute speaking.
tiny tweaks every week.
If this system feels clear to you, comment clear system.
Because clarity removes confusion.
And confusion is what stops most solo learners.
Now I want you to imagine something.
Imagine yourself 30 days from now.
You speak more confidently.
You hesitate less.
You understand more.
That version of you is built by small daily action,
Not by motivation alone.
by structure.
So here's your final reflection question.
What is one small action you will take today after this episode ends?
Comment it right now. 1 action.
Speak for 1 minute.
Read 1 page.
Repeat 5 sentences.
Write it down publicly.
When you comment, you create commitment.
And we're here with you on Talk Easy Daily.
We read your comments.
We see your effort.
and we believe in your progress.
Studying alone does not mean being alone.
You are part of this learning community.
And every time you press play, you are investing in yourself.
So if this episode helped you, comment, "I am improving."
Like this episode.
Share it with one friend who studies alone.
And subscribe to Talk Easy Daily for more practical systems like this.
Remember,
Small steps,
intentional action,
sustainable habits,
brave speaking,
tiny tweaks.
no quitting.
Keep going.
This is Jake,
And this is Anna.
and you are building your English one small day at a time.
See you in the next episode of Talk Easy Daily.